Hello, fellow traders. Potential good move on VIX. Yesterday we failed to take out the reversal. The reversal of 13 daily reversal, and we at least gonna see a bounce until tomorrow, which is a direction change. Now we also might see a bounce on the weekly, but it depends if we close under 13 or not. So the first number to watch is 14, 40, and then 16. So we'll see today and tomorrow, but it's going pretty well. Uh, Here, as I mentioned, we went a bit high and then I sold out, took out a bunch of reversals. But yeah, this thing is not ready to make major highs unless there is some geopolitical event. All right, take care.